Hey, happy Wednesday. This week, I just wanted to share with you a success story from a client who did something that they were a little reluctant to do until overwhelming evidence kind of suggested that they need to do it. And that is basically to become more active on LinkedIn. So Larry Hinebaugh, not a really out there kind of a guy, but we kind of browbeat him into getting out there a little bit more on his LinkedIn profile and posting some materials about some of the thoughts and opinions that he had about things that are going on in the marketplace. So he posted on basically a rebuttal or a continuation to this article. This is AAR, aircraft mechanic shortage reaches critical point. And Larry's point is that a lot of the aircraft mechanics in the world are spending way too much time looking for missing aircraft records. And that is not the best use of their time, especially since there is a labor shortage, and especially since there are so few of them, and especially since they really hate doing paperwork. They would really much rather be fixing airplanes, which is a much better use of their time anyway. So it was a great opinion piece, and he posted it on his own LinkedIn profile, and he did a bunch of things right here. Number one is, of course, he put a screenshot of the article, the original article that he was rebutting or extending or whatever. Second is he tagged the journalist, which is really smart because journalists love having their work read by more people. Of course, that's what they're in the business of doing. So that was great. It was timely, it was current, and so on. And he shared it also from his profile to a bunch of different groups of aircraft maintenance managers, aircraft maintenance groups, other things like that. And growing his network by quite a bit, I think more than he expected, which is great. We love it when that happens. So, it's a great article. Check it out. If you don't know Larry, you should. If you aren't connected with Larry, you should be. And there's a lot that you can learn from this method of taking something that's in the news, sharing your thoughts about it, and posting that to your personal LinkedIn profile as opposed to your company LinkedIn profile, where it'll get a lot more attention. You can always reshare it to your company profile as well. But anyway, if you have any questions about that, let's talk about it in your office hours or in group office hours. We're always happy to go over best practices because they're always changing anyway, right? So anyway, congratulations, Larry, on your very successful post. And thank you for being a good sport about me talking about it. Talk to you soon.